surprised to see you in this building, Stephen.
It's been a while since we last saw each other. How you been lately?
Oh, I've been busy as usual. My career has been flourishing.
That's great to hear. I have been trying to stay busy too, you know? Keeping myself occupied.
Oh, you got a job?
No. It's more like just developing a new interest, you know? Music.
Cool. Is it like a band?
It's more like an orchestra instrument. Helps me a lot with my stress. What floor do you live on?
Well, gotta go, Stephen. Take care.
You too. Bye. Do you have any plans to,
Bye.
Good morning. I'm sorry.
They say accidental touches reveal hidden feelings.
Benjamin, I can't pretend anymore. I missed you. I remember every little thing about you. Your captivating eyes that sparkle like stars in the night sky. Your heartwarming smile that makes my world brighter. You know, I really do remember how you'd always have an extra chocolate chip in your breakfast muffin because you knew I loved them. And let's not forget that adorable habit of yours. You have this endearing tendency to talk to plants as if they were your best friends.
Shh. I know it's hard to restrain your desire for me, Stephen. But things change. Things change. I even threw all the plants out. I'm sorry, but you have to let me go. You'll be okay. In time. It's time to let me go.
상ging 정호의 난와의 소위
翠劇無山不是雲。
You are?
Simon, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Right. Right. You're my neighbor. I'm Stephen, by the way. I guess I was just lost in my own thoughts.
Why do you have to be so cruel to yourself? Why do you keep going back to someone who hurts you? Can't you see? You deserve to be loved and cherished by someone who truly appreciates you.
You've been noticing me since I moved in?
From the very first day. I saw you in the hallway and I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. You have this magnetic presence, and I've been drawn to you ever since.
Simon.
I'm serious about this, Stephen.
Simon.
Stephen.